But first, we are kicking things off right here in the Price Chopper kitchen because it is time for an epic gingerbread party, and no one else can show us how to do it except for Andrea Krasnow with this Kansas City mama. So what do we need to keep our walls from crumbling down?
You're going to need royal icing. I mean, that's just it. That is your glue that will make everything stick.
All right.
And it's super easy, but I have to tell you, when you make royal icing, make sure that you make it edible because you know your kids are going to want to lick it, and it's normally made with egg whites. So make sure you use meringue powder, and then it's edible, and then you can lick all of the icing that you want. Exactly.
Yeah, we can't let the kids get egg whites.
No, either you. So use meringue powder and then stock up on all the glue.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so do you guys want to get some hands on here?
I don't know. You've already done a really good job here.
Well, so this is just the house, and this kind of tells you what you're doing to put it together. So I kind of have a makeshift house there for you. But you guys, if you want and get hands-on, you can attach your tree to your base.
Okay.
So we just start.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom, make sure you get your royal icing to the tip, and then you're going to just...
No, I put a hole in my thing already. I haven't even started yet, and I've ruined it.
No, you're fine. So what you're going to do is you're just going to glide all the way around your tree. All right, and then just put enough on there, just like you would with glue, and then find a spot that you think is best on your scenic plate, and then just stick it on.
I'm going to cover
the. Bill, you're doing great.
I'm going to cover the hole I put in the plate.
How did you figure out that royal icing really sticks well?
So I took a class a long time ago for cake decorating, and that is the way that you want to add all of your details to a cake or to cupcakes or to things like this. You want to make sure that you use the royal icing in order, like I said, for glue to adhere anything that you're decorating.
Okay, and you actually, this isn't gingerbread, is it?
No, this is graham crackers. So if you want to throw a gingerbread party for your friends, or for, in my instance, for my son and his friends, I thought, I do not want to make gingerbread because first of all, that's a lot of cutting out.
It's a lot of extra work, isn't it?
Your cookies spread, so then your houses aren't, you know, they're asymmetrical and not symmetrical. So I did some research and I thought, you know what, in kindergarten they did them out of milk cartons. So I thought there has to be something different. So I did some research and I found graham crackers work just as well. And I think they're a little more sturdy.
Yeah, super smart and easy.
So yes, so, and again, it's all edible. So if they
perfect.
happen to nibble on it while they're baking or while they're decorating.
And it looks like my house has a little snow on it.
Yes, so add all your snow and then you can add coconut, as I did over here for a little extra snow.
Oh, look at that.
You've got these little pearl sprinkles. You've also got some cute ones that make it look like ice crystals if you want. So just lay down your royal icing and go to town. You can use these cute little pearls if you wanted. I also have some fun little snowflakes, which I did on the trees over there and just kind of added them to my roof.
I'm going to add the gumdrop shrubberies out front.
I think you should.
This is my landscaping experience.
You actually have some photos from when you did this with your son?
We do,
yes. With the group?
It was so much fun. You really want to have stations set up for all the kids. That way they have their own tree, their own space. And then what I did was gave each one their own glue or royal icing bottles, just like you guys have. And then I just gave every portion of the table their own little items to decorate with.
Look at
so
that.
This is really fun. You can take off the Twizzlers and pull it, and then you can outline your house. You can add other sprinkles if you want to make it look like there's lights on your house.
I think if you have long fingernails, these just don't work.
Oh my gosh. You know what you can do? You can use tweezers.
Okay.
So get a fresh pair of tweezers and then you can pick them up and then apply them to your house or... Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
You guys are doing great. Your houses look spectacular.
Tell you what, can you host the rest of the show? We'll just stay here.
Absolutely. I'm on it. I am on it.
There's something sort of soothing about making these.
You know what? That's what I was thinking. When you put the houses together, it's really therapeutic. You can just put on better Kansas City. You can sit at your kitchen table.
I'm actually
and you can put your house together.
Surprised at how well that's holding. I thought for sure those M&Ms
and
would
you know
fall
what?
right
If
off,
you feel
the
royal icing along your trees,
Oh,
feel how hard it is.
That really gets
it really hardens up, and it doesn't take any time at all. And so you just keep adding all of your fun decorations.
And how much icing do you need? How many M&Ms? Just all this stuff for a party, maybe of 5.
Just, you know what? I go with full-size bags of all the candy, and then that way I figure if there's some that go into their mouths, you know, you can also just sit there and refill. Right?
That's the kind of gingerbread party we want to be a part
of. Isn't it? So yeah, so I think if you just get full-size bags of everything, and then hit up your dollar stores.
Oh, yes.
Because when it's a lot of food and a lot of kids, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. So.
Okay. All right, well, good deal. Well, thank you very much for being here today, and we do appreciate it, and I'm going to keep working on that here in a little bit. But